Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want an important post to stay at the top of your Reddit profile, you need to pin it. Pinned posts help your content get noticed first by anyone visiting your profile. Before we start, there is one important thing you should know. Reddit does not allow pinning posts from the mobile app. You must use a PC or laptop to do this. Now let me show you how it works step by step. Open Reddit on your PC or laptop using any web browser. Log into your Reddit account. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu, click on View Profile. Now scroll through your posts and find the one you want to pin. Once you find it, click on the three dots beside the post. From the menu, select Pin Post to Profile. That post will now stay at the top of your Reddit profile. Keep in mind that only one post can be pinned at a time. If you pin a new post, the previously pinned post will be unpinned automatically. Pinned posts are useful for announcements, important updates, or featured content. This helps visitors see your most important post right away. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Reddit tips and fixes.